I got some friends hanging out over here. Come check this out. Happy Halloween, YouTube. We are out on Halloween having a little camping trip and a little pumpkin carving, and we're actually at the temple right now. Stay tuned for that, and I'll show you what that is. So we just started our hike off to the temple. You can see down behind me all here is the canyon we're going to be going into. Pretty cool. There's some fall colors. I didn't know they'd still be up this time of year. So we just made it down to the canyon. As you can see behind me, we came down all that just now. We're not off to the temple just yet, but we're gonna walk along the creek for a little bit and just kind of see what the views are like. But check out these aspens we got, or these willows. Look at that. We still found some fall colors in late October. So we're really close to the temple. We just gotta go up, I'll show you behind me here in a minute, but we just have to go up into all that. It's a little hard to see, but it's kind of like a little mini canyon, but we're gonna go up all that. All right, so we're at the temple here. We're kind of boxed in this canyon. I'll kind of do a 360 spin for you guys, but check this out. So we're in Temple Canyon, and if you look right there, that's called the temple. So we just got done hiking Temple Canyon. We're now back at camp, and like I said earlier in the video, I want to carve some pumpkins for tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and get those going, so we're having them ready for this evening. Then we got a cool meal we're gonna make too, and it's gonna be like a spicy lemon chicken noodle soup. Sounds pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and get going and put our design on this pumpkin and start carving it and see what mess we make if we get what we want. I got some patterns, but let me show you kind of what we're after and we'll get this going. Our pumpkin carving kit, which is right here, and it came in with these 6 patterns. So I think what I want to do is this, actually I kind of like this one. But no, I think what I want to do is just pick, ooh, I like that one too. So I think we're going to do this one and this one. So we're going to start with the little one first, but I want to do this little guy first. Actually, that's about a good size. So we're going to do this one first. We'll go ahead and get our template put on there and sharpied out, and then we'll start carving and getting into it. Get him on there. And I just bought a basic pumpkin carving kit at King Soopers. I'm gonna go ahead and cut its top off, and it's a gorgeous day out. We've got a little bit of a breeze. I found a nice shade spot in the trees, but we're gonna go ahead and get this going here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut his top. All right. So we got the top. If I can get the. All right. So I got this little scooper. Oh, actually, this little scooper works really good. Oh wow, this thing actually works really good. Alright, so I think I got it all. Let's just see if we can dump that all in there. Put our design in, so I know there's an eye right here. We're gonna kind of wing this design a little bit too. Here's his other eye. Take his little nose. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just gonna wing the mouth. So I think we're gonna do something like that. I guess I'm an artist. Ooh, I almost cut his eye off. Oh, that's not bad. I think we're open this up just a little bit. Add a little character to him. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I can work with that. Yeah, we can do something with that for sure. So I'm kind of winging this, to be honest with you. All right, I like that. Actually, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the rest of the stuff that's in there. All right, I'm gonna clean them out just a little bit more. All right, so that actually works, and I might actually save. Ooh, I might save some of the guts and stuff too. Or not the guts, but the insides. But that works. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. I can work with that. So we're gonna go ahead and throw him right there. Go ahead and put his top back on. So we got our first pumpkin cover carved. Oh, if I can get him off. So there's our top. See if we can dump his brains out. So I think I'm gonna do this design. I'm gonna basically stab him. Oh, this pumpkin's a little harder. Oh, I stabbed him again. There we go. Lose a tooth. Don't lose a tooth. Ah, the tooth stayed. Nice. So there's our pumpkin. There's our pumpkin. I'm gonna adjust his nose a little bit more. So there it is with his top on. Looks pretty good. Not bad for haven't carved a pumpkin in a long time, but looks pretty good. Look, I got myself some friends, so I'm not alone while I'm camping. So we're gonna go ahead and make some dinner. We're gonna make a spicy lemon chicken noodle soup. Sounds pretty good. As you can see, we're out in the middle, literally in the middle of nowhere. I have ran into no one all day, which is nice. I like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get all our ingredients ready for this chicken noodle soup. We're gonna get it cooking on our campfire pit. Then we will kind of hang out with it and kind of show the pumpkins off and kind of have some fun with that. So you want to stay tuned for that as well a little later in the video. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get our veggies and all our ingredients squared away. So I'm just going to use my trusty little knife I got here. We're going to go ahead and cut the celery up. So I'm going to cut these, since they're baby already, I'm just going to go ahead and cut them in half like so. So we got our skillet going. I'm going to put a little butter in along with some seasoning. And we're going to put a little bit of some nature seasonings. I'm going to go ahead and throw all our vegetables in there. Ooh, I lost the celery stick. Get our chicken broth in. It's just kind of like I say, pre-cooked chicken. I'm just going to kind of shred it and throw it in there and let it heat up. I got that in there. I'm going to go ahead and throw in the veggies. So we just got to add the finishing touches to our chicken noodle soup. And that is just a little bit of some lemon. Good evening, guys. Sorry it's a little windy, so the audio is probably going to be a little horrible. But I got some friends hanging out over here. Come check this out. So I got some friends hanging out with me tonight. Good morning, YouTube. It's still dark out, as you can see. I got a fire going, kind of just hanging out. It is Halloween, and the pumpkins, they were lit all night, and they're still going pretty good, but it's kind of funny. Look at these pumpkins over here. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, please like and subscribe. We're putting videos out every week, and I'll see you in the next one.